Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 23rd of October and I figured I'm going to make another video about ICE because it's been a really long time since I made anything, because simply there is nothing coming out. And partially it's due to the fact that I've been a bad boy and I've been banned from all of the social groups on ICE for asking questions, because as a good student of any proper educational institution, you should not be asking questions, particularly ones that may be challenging the main view of the validity of any suggested ideas or projects in this particular case. So in any case, I've been banned from the two main Twitter accounts, and so I do not get regular updates, but I do, however, still get around. And right now I've caught on to I guess the most recent view of what the KYC app will look like. So let's have a look at that, shall we? So here's a quick view of the KYC in action, recorded somewhere in Taiwan, or Vietnam rather.
Mờ lắm. Rồi.
Cứ quay đi. Nha, tiếp tục.
So the app is available in Vietnamese.
Chọn Việt Nam này. Đánh chữ Việt Nam
language there.
V I E Việt Nam. Không sao, thu âm mới tốt. Rồi. Đánh vào chữ Việt Nam, thu âm. Tiếp tục này. Tiếp tục này.
Chưa.
Việt Nam rồi mà.
Việt Nam đã lên đâu? Lên đi.
Đây, trả lời. Ồ, cho hôm nay tôi make up thế này thì nó khác.
I love how these people are completely clueless about this app.
Không được.
Or it looks like they're not very experienced with using apps, which is also kind of interesting.
Có nhấn vào không?
Cứ mãi như đấy, ấn vào. Ấn vào trắng.
Ấn thấy chưa? Có nhấn vào không?
It's like accepting children into an advanced class and having to use them. It's just, to me, it's just strange that this project, or whatever you want to call it, is generating subscriptions amongst people who don't necessarily have a lot of understanding of blockchain and crypto so much, other than the word maybe itself. And so, they go around the project, going around calling itself a mining project, when clearly people have no idea what that even means most of the time. So the lady right now is going through the requirements of positioning your face. That's the motion check. So the first one was the picture, then there is the motion check. And that's it for this video. So it's a relatively easy process. Of course, this particular one doesn't include the questionnaire, which makes me wonder, why not? Where is the questionnaire? This dude actually looks like the fella on the first page of the phone app there, as one of the leaders. I don't know, this app has not been rolled out to people. I don't know how many people have received the KYC. If you are in the minority, I haven't. If you're in the minority, then I would love to hear your comments on it, because I have not. I haven't heard any updates from ICE. There's nothing being posted. There's some things that are being posted on Twitter by Opportunist Miner, but I mean, this account is just a regular free crypto hunter, and he just so happens to be involved in ICE. But there is also Jatin Gupta, who is saying, celebrating a big milestone. Congratulations to all who've completed the first step of KYC on the ICE network. Huge thanks to ICE blockchain for the rapid progress. Rapid? I'm not sure if it's rapid. It's been a week. I haven't seen anything, unless maybe they single-handed me. They singled me out and said, no, none for you. The 450,000, probably one that hasn't received it yet. In any case, what's happening to ICE? No, I don't know. Are there any announcements? I haven't seen any announcements. There's nothing on Telegram. Usually there were updates. They posted a video on YouTube
The scannable code,
And
when
YouTube
captured by the
introduces
sender's device, ensures a quick and
a video in
error-free
which
transfer.
gives you a
It's
guide on
especially
how
handy
to
for
withdraw money or
face-to-face
deposit money into the wallet. So all these things are
Alternatively, you can share
presently
your unique
shown,
wallet address.
apparently,
This address can be sent
that are in the wallet or in the app. But keep in mind that the app that you're using right now is not the same app that they're showing in the videos, which means you would have to either download a new app or update, or there will be updates, I guess, so you might have to reinstall the app. I have no idea how that's going to be done, when it's going to be done, because KYC still hasn't been done at all. There was also a video I saw about security.
Yeah, I'm actually a snowman out there. Why? What's up? Well, did you know that they have some serious security measures in place? They've partnered up with a top-notch security company to protect the app from all kinds of threats. That's good to hear. I honestly don't want any hackers messing up with my ICE coins. And get this, you can only use one registered device at a time. That way, they can keep an eye out for any fake accounts or bots trying to sneak in. Well, they really don't mess around. I guess they're serious about keeping things safe and secure for all of us snowmen. Yep, definitely. They even do a verification process to make sure everyone is whom they say they are. Yeah, so if anyone tries to cheat, they'll get locked out faster than a snowman in a heat wave. Yeah, you got that right. So let's make sure we play by the rules and earn those ICE coins the right way. Snowman to snowman. You got it, partner. Let's go.
Top security measures, no idea what they are, but apparently it's a great thing. Just to bring it up, the visual face check and movement check are not that, you know, uncommon. They're pretty commonly used by platforms like Binance and other platforms to conduct KYC. So when this KYC is going to be released to the masses is pretty unclear. Opportunist Miner doesn't really have a lot of stuff on his Twitter account. So this is another video here on ICE News, and the guy is using a phone without a camera apparently. So I guess this is what the app would look like. Even Raise United hasn't really posted any videos, man. There is nothing. Decentralized community governance, where he talked about governance. I love the video where he talks about supply. He posted a short video about the supply. What is the supply of ICE? And then he goes on about not explaining what the supply is, because there's no way of explaining it. So that's how convoluted this is. Anyway, so even this dude who's, you know, part of their team has nothing posted on there. So we don't know. ICE is missing in action. What's happening to the app? Not sure. When is the KYC coming? Not sure. The app, by the way, has also been getting a bit sluggish, if you've noticed. If you haven't noticed, I noticed that when I was in the tier here, in my tier 1, and I was scrolling through the people, when new faces popped up here on the team, it would reset itself and it wasn't scrolling as smoothly. So I assume that with an increased number of people, this app stops being as smooth as you would expect it to be, or as it is in the beginning. And you can see that it's a bit it's not as smooth anymore, and I assume that with increased usage it's going to slow down more as the servers are getting bogged down, because I mean this app is held on a server somewhere in order to have it accessible to people and people can use it, and so the increased volume of usage will most likely begin to slow down the app in some way, so that might be a problem. In any case, well, I have no idea what's happening to ICE. Who knows? When is the KYC coming? No idea. When is the app coming? No idea. When is the promised Ethereum transition coming? Also, we don't know. But I will keep you updated, and I will post another video as soon as I find out more. So let's see when the next news comes out. For now, it's just crickets. But please stay away from the crickets. Make sure to make some noise, smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with others. And of course, come back for more when they become available. CryptoFather out.